Hey, Jeff here again with Unique Specialty and Classics from the sales department. Just got back from Barrett-Jackson. Pretty cool experience. Tell you a little bit about that. It's very overwhelming. If you've never been to one of those, it's kind of cool to go to. We had a booth out there we were advertising, but just all the cars that were involved, some of the salon cars that I would never be able to afford myself, but super cool to look at. While we were out there, we did go around and do a little car hunt and find some cars for you. So there's some cool stuff coming to the website here soon. One of my favorites, I'm a guy, I like stock stuff. It's a 1940 Buick Super Convertible. I'm not sure how many were made, pretty rare car, very, very solid. A couple other ones that came in. I got a 77 four-wheel drive Blazer that just came in. It's been an Arizona car its whole life, extremely solid. 65 Mustang Fastback, a 71 El Camino that we bought actually at the auction, and a 57 Chevy four-door wagon. Pretty straight, good-looking car. So look for those to be coming on the website here soon. A couple other things when we were down there, super cool. With what I do, I don't get to meet a lot of my customers. A couple of them came in and popped through the booth that I've either met once or never met in person before. So just to chit chat and talk about old car stories. There was a beautiful 1970 Chevelle SS L78 that I sold to a guy a year ago. It was a frame off restored car. Anyways, there was a few little chips here and there, whatever. He blew the car apart. He's completely restoring it again. He is going to send me pictures when it's done. It's just kind of cool to see where these cars go from afterwards. He's also looking at maybe the 70 Boss 302 Mustang that we have. He wants me to put some numbers together and possibly have that thing restored, which isn't my department, but I'll get him to where we need to go. You know, some of the fun stuff that happened while we were down at Barrett-Jackson, I mean, it wasn't all business. We were there for work, but it was fun to get with the guys outside of, you know, these four walls or whatever you want to say, and have a little fun. We did have Quiet Riot stay at the same hotel we were at, so we got to go and check that out. Pretty cool bar. There was a pool and everything in the bar. People are swimming in it while the concert's going on, you know, and just a little jabs and jokes and stuff going on. And the next morning, they were all pretty slow moving besides me when we were at the breakfast table, but it was good to see them have some fun and just let loose and, you know, get out of the normal business stuff every once in a while. Granted, we enjoy what we do, but it was cool to see the smile on their face when they got to have a little fun. Check out the website, uniqueclassiccars.com. You're gonna see some cool stuff coming in. It's been a crazy month. I think we're on a rate of selling over 50 cars this month, which is not typical for January, but a lot of fun. And yeah, check it out. If you have any questions, give me a call. The phone number is 507-386-1726, or you can send me an email at unscjeff@gmail.com. It was very short. Of course it was very short. How many minutes was it?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? How long do you want it to be? I don't know what else to say.